الكبيرة المؤكدة سوداء.
Okay. Here we mentioned the benefits that the stakeholders will have through the project. So the main benefit for the users from anything or any place outside the community. They can read more about the heritage, they can know a lot about the culture that they didn't hear about before. Another stakeholder is SRTA and Kingston University, as they will produce the research and the project, so they will have a benefit from this. The community itself, that their culture and their heritage now is available and anyone can see it and hear about them more often, as we didn't know anything about them before. We already sat down with them yesterday. The next generations, for the next maybe students or kids, they don't know a lot about Bedouins, or they don't know a lot about the old culture. They cannot even imagine what happens there. So after reading it, I think they will have the benefit to discover what happens inside these communities. In the other circle, the Ministry of Tourism. Maybe other people outside Egypt use the application and read about the culture and the heritage. They may like it, love it, so they may need to see it and make journeys to Egypt to see it. The interns, the designers, as we will benefit from this internship, we knew a lot of stuff we didn't know before, and we also have had an insight to culture, to the Bedouin culture. And the developers who will develop the application. In the outside circuit, the sponsors, as after the project. Yes, they will. Yes. Yes, and they will benefit from the publicity that they collaborated in a project like this. Human rights. That
they will benefit or not?
They will benefit, yes, but they are the last one who will benefit, as they will do their work to supervise us, as we are not violating any of the human rights to the Bedouins.
Yeah, I had two main questions. One of them will be asked to all the groups. The first one is, so this is how the benefits are distributed, yes, according to you. So how it is? Do you believe this is also how it should be? Do you believe there is something wrong if who benefits the most or not? Do you believe, for example, you should benefit as much as Kingston University?
No.
So this is right in terms of if you had to judge it.
Yes.
Okay. And the other question is, you said that you are the intern designer, so you would benefit in terms of getting to know more the culture. Whereas Kingston University and South Pacific would benefit in terms of career, let's say, so they will publish, they will get publicity.
Yes.
Don't you believe this can apply to you as well?
It can apply, but we think about the Kingston University and the authority to have the benefit of being able to gain funds or raise awareness about this type of research.
Our main benefit here is the design project. We learned how to use design techniques and how to manage an application with design.
Do you think this learning experience is going to last for 2 weeks? Or is it going to stay with you? Because it seems to me it's like you think that this internship is more of like a limited benefit to you, which why do you
No.
yes, you're seeing you leverage that.
I mean, it's not just something temporary, it's something that we have never really experienced the value of hands-on activities, discussions, presenting. Those things are really rare in our college schools. So something like more of life experience, not just something technical you are gonna learn.
Thank you.